Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best HD4480L is probably one of the most exciting products I've reviewed this year. It's packed with features that make it stand out from the competition, and I'm here to break down everything you need to know. From its sleek design to its impressive performance, we'll dive deep into what makes this product a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their setup. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore the world of the HD4480L. Number 5. Haida HD868 Mud Champ 35x 12.50 or 24E10 PLY BSW. Introducing the Haida HD868 Mud Champ. This tire is designed for light trucks and built to conquer any terrain. It's a reliable choice for your off-road adventures. This tire is an all-season performer. It provides consistent traction and handling in various weather conditions. You can count on it year-round. The HD868 Mud Champ excels in mud terrain. Its aggressive tread pattern provides superior grip and self-cleaning capabilities. This helps you maintain control in challenging conditions. This tire features a load range E and is 10-ply rated. This construction provides enhanced durability and load-carrying capacity. It's built to handle heavy-duty use. This tire is specifically designed for light trucks. It offers a combination of performance and durability. It's the perfect choice for your truck. What we like. This tire is built for the toughest terrains. Its aggressive mud terrain design ensures solid traction and performance, even in challenging conditions. If you frequently find yourself off-roading or driving in muddy environments, this tire is an excellent choice. You'll appreciate the durability and grip it provides. What people say. The picture quality is excellent. The projector is very bright and the colors are vibrant. The setup was easy. Number 4. Haida HD4567 ND Filter Kit for Sigma Lenses. This is the Haida HD4567 ND Filter Kit, designed specifically for Sigma 14 to 24mm and 24mm lenses. It's a must-have for photographers looking to control light and achieve stunning results. The first filter is an ND8, which reduces light by 3 stops. This allows you to use wider apertures or slower shutter speeds in bright conditions. It's perfect for creating motion blur in your shots. Next up is the ND16, offering a 4-stop reduction. This filter is great for landscape photography, allowing you to smooth out water or clouds. It gives you more creative control over your images. The ND64 filter provides a 6-stop reduction. This is ideal for capturing long exposures during the day. It helps to blur moving subjects and create a dreamy effect. Finally, the ND1000 filter offers a 10-stop reduction. It's perfect for extreme long exposures, even in bright sunlight. This filter allows you to capture incredible effects. All filters are made with multi-coated tempered optical glass. This ensures excellent image quality and durability. The kit also includes easy-to-follow installation instructions. What we like. This kit offers a range of ND filters, allowing for creative control over your shots. With various stop options, it gives you the flexibility to manage light in different situations. If you are a photographer looking to capture long exposures or control depth of field in bright conditions, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The filters come in a proper mini case that won't be a problem for any camera bag. Removing and fitting the included filter holder to the rear of the lens is easy. Holding the filters at the edges for installation is easy. Number 3. Haida Mud Champ HD868 33x 12.50 or 22LT tire. Introducing the Haida Mud Champ HD868 tire. This tire is designed for light trucks and built to handle tough terrains. It's a reliable choice for off-road adventures. This tire has a size of 33x 12.50 or 22LT. It's engineered for optimal performance in mud. The size ensures a great fit for your light truck. The tire features a load range E and is 10-ply rated. This construction provides enhanced durability and load-bearing capacity. It's built to withstand demanding conditions. The tire has a black sidewall design. This gives it a rugged and stylish appearance. It's a great addition to any off-road vehicle. This tire is suitable for all seasons and excels in mud terrain. It offers excellent traction and control in various weather conditions. It's the perfect choice for your off-road needs. What we like. This tire is designed for all-season use, providing consistent performance throughout the year. Its mud terrain design ensures solid traction and performance on tough terrains. If you need a reliable tire for both on and off-road driving, this one is a great choice. What people say. They ride good. There is some road noise, but they are pretty good quality and have nice tread. Great looking tire, exceptional in water and mud. For the price, these things are nice. It's a smooth drive and they are not loud at all. Number 2. Haida HD878R T33X 12.50 or 24 LT all-terrain tire. This tire is designed for light trucks and SUVs, ready to take on any challenge. It offers the performance you need to go off-road with confidence. The aggressive tread pattern ensures solid traction. It helps you maintain control, no matter the terrain. The self-cleaning tread pattern boosts traction. It forces mud, dirt, and debris out of the tire, ensuring consistent performance. Deep grooves reduce uneven wear. This promotes a longer tread life, saving you money in the long run. The tough rubber compound is puncture resistant. This feature reduces damage and extends the life of the tire. What we like. This tire features an aggressive tread pattern for solid traction. The self-cleaning design boosts performance by forcing out mud and debris. If you are looking for a tire that can handle tough terrains and maintain performance, this is the one for you. What people say. They're not loud, they grip well, look great. The tires are brand new. Haida brand, good quality, looks great. Really quality tire for the price and amount of tread you get on it. Number 1. Haida M10 100mm Night Light Pollution Filter. This is a drop-in filter designed for the M10 100mm filter holder. It's made with optical glass and multi-coated for optimal performance. This filter helps reduce light pollution in your night photography. The filter is specifically designed to fit the Haida M10 100mm filter holder. It has a built-in light gasket that seals to the holder, preventing light leaks. This ensures the best possible results when you're shooting at night. The filter is constructed from high-quality optical glass and features a multi-coating. This combination provides excellent clarity and reduces unwanted reflections. It ensures that the images are sharp and clear. This filter is designed to minimize the effects of light pollution. It's perfect for capturing stunning images of the night sky, even in cities. It will help you capture the beauty of the stars. Please note that this filter is only intended for use with the Haida M10 holder. Make sure you have the correct holder before using the filter. It is a great addition to your photography gear. What we like. This filter is specifically designed to reduce light pollution. It's built with optical glass and a built-in light gasket for optimal performance. If you are a night sky photographer, this filter will help you capture clearer, more detailed images of the stars and the night sky. What people say. Alles wie beschrieben, würde ich wieder kaufen. The product is exactly as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.